Good morning. I'm Jeff Howard, and I've been advisor with Consolidated Planning for 23 years now. And today I have Stephen Norris with me, which is who I introduced as an associate planner on our team. What we were asked to do was explain how we open a client up, how we approach a client, and we're going to do that today and give you some ideas. We're also going to show you a couple of moves that we use, and with Stephen here with me, how we walk an actual case. We're not going to give you the name of this client, but how we open a client up, some of the things that we do, and a couple of moves that we were asked to show you today. Well, the first thing is that when we meet a client, a lot of times we might either have them as a client or we might be referred into that client. And in a case where we might have them as a client, we might have a call and say we got a need, or we might approach them and say that, we'd like to introduce ourselves to you, we've been referred to you. No matter what the case is, what we usually do, we would meet with that client first and talk to them and listen to them, ask them how their business is doing, how they're doing, what's on their mind, what is the wish list, and kind of get that information, that opening introduction, make sure that we're comfortable with one another, they're comfortable with us, and seeing what their needs are. Once we do that, we immediately address what we were called in there for, if that's what we're done. If somebody's asked us to review something, to look at a buy-sell, or to help them with a buy-sell, there's a family issue going on, or there's a need that they have, we immediately say, and we address that need as we go through our open conversation with them, that yes, we can help you, and this is something we can definitely look at. And we might, in addition to that, what we always usually do is say, here are the other areas we can help you too. One of the things that we typically do after we have that introduction and we've spoken to the client, we've addressed their immediate needs, or we're doing it open to get to know them, is we go through our business model. In our business model, we structure, or we tell them that, hey, Consolidated Planning brings a team of different advisors together for you. And what we do normally is point out that when we're here in the middle with you, we may need to go to the outside and pull other advisors in. For example, banking relationship, legal, property and casualty, accounting, and then we explain to them the things that we do. Personal planning, retirement planning, estate and wealth planning, business planning. We kind of give them the approach that, whether it's your advisor or our advisor, we will bring these different team members in to help you out. Wherever we need to pull someone, whether it's yours or one of ours, those resources are there, and it actually works quite well for us. In the case that we're going to talk to you about today, it's actually a client named Jeff and Patsy. And in Jeff and Patsy's case, we were already in that group. We were doing their employee benefits. Jeff and Patsy has a need for a buy-sell planning, 2 children that they have, actually 3 children, 2 in the business and 1 out. So with the help of doing a buy-sell planning, again, remember we already have employee benefits. We also do the retirement plans. We were getting into the personal planning and the business planning. And we explained to them, and in this process when we worked with them, we actually had to bring in an attorney. We dealt with their accountant, and we actually even looked at the property and casualty for them. So when you go in as a new advisor, you do want to have a team. And I think it's very important that when you do have a team, whether it's theirs, their members, or the ones that you have an association with, that the person that's in the room with you is positioned as an equal or an associate. So they will feel comfortable while they're there, they feel comfortable with their expertise, and they know that they can go to them or go to you. In this case here, he used our legal, our property and casualty, his accounting, and Stephen was positioned as an associate planner, which made it very easy for me, and also which I consider for you as a new advisor. If you don't have those resources, if you do joint work, that you're able to position your center of influences or theirs together in this manner. And it really helps.